Good morning. We got a fairly short drive here. We're going to try this morning. We're going to navigate out of the shopping center and then get on to 71. We got an interesting couple merges here.
Okay, voice control is now on.
Into the sunshine here. FSD now. Oh, we got a little, let's clean the windshield off a little bit. So I still haven't got the version 11 update. Elon tweeted that they were going to do another point release before they go out to wide. A lot of like what I want to do actually is show different conditions. So like here we have a pedestrian walking, and let's see, I would have let that person cross the road. And oh, they're gonna, okay, I'm going to I was just trying to intervene and not disengage, but they got into the turn lane too soon. And then once you were there, I would have just stayed there and gone across. But FSD wanted to then get back out, and that was just too much of a mess. And this is where it'll start getting a little confusing for the beta. We want to stay in the right lane, because the right lane is really where you want to be. You got these stop signs here that are confusing, and it thinks it needs a stop for them. Give it the go pedal to get us through there, because those stop signs were for that other street that was merging in. And now we are going pretty slow down here. Toy intervention. Voice control is working. So here we really got to speed up, because we're basically on the entrance ramp to Interstate. It's still showing 25. Toy intervention. We don't have any traffic. It's still 25. Very interesting. You can clearly see, and we're going to be merging in to the high-speed lane here at 25 miles an hour. That would not be good, especially when people take this well over the speed limit. We are driving on a Sunday morning, so luckily there is not much traffic to worry about. I've got her. Okay, she's slowing down. I'm not sure why. It's interesting, I'm getting the visualizations of the old autopilot here, but we do have self-driving running. This is fully supervised driving, and really that is different than full self-driving. I'm going to go ahead and, I got a truck coming, I'm going to go ahead and put the indicator on, see if, so as an example, as a fully supervised drive, and we need to get over here. Something strange is going on. I'm going to let me re-engage. Now it is. So that was an intro. I've never seen that happen before like that. I wonder why. If anybody knows, please leave me a comment. But as I was saying about full self-driving, as an example of how a computer might act differently as a fully supervised over full self-driving, and I'm just watching for these cars here on the left, make sure FSD doesn't pull out prematurely, is the blinker should come on even earlier maybe than it would than a normal full self-driving car. Full self-driving car, yeah, you do it in the natural cadence of turning on a turn signal, and FSD is already often late in terms of turning on the turn signals. But as a fully supervised drive, really you need to let the driver know that the computer knows what it's doing, and as such it should probably put the turn signals on even quicker. Car's going pretty slow. It's going to try to roll it, not quite as fast as a human would, but it was all right. That's okay. Pretty impressive, really, for a self-driving car. Got these rough roads here. Turn. A little herky-jerky. 2 routes you can go here. It usually likes to go this way. I usually go the other way because there's no stop signs going the other way. But that's okay. We like to see it behavior. It's kind of interesting because they have these crosswalks and the stop signs, and back there the crosswalk is not coordinated with the stop sign. Very sweet. All right, and we will end it there. Now, we actually did have one disengagement, and we had more interventions than that. That merge onto the interstate at 25 miles per hour into the high-speed lane of I-71 would not have gone well. Okay, so let's go ahead and score this. And probably the highest drive rating, but I'm probably being a little generous this morning.